Here's my mini desktop setup. I got a Lofree Flow keyboard here. Check it out. And this is going to be one with 100 keys on it with a numpad. So let's open that real quick. Okay. Alright. And looks like this slides off. Let's do that. Excellent. Yep, that's what it says. Flow Maker 2. There's some writing on it. See that? Alright folks, this is the keyboard. Lofree. Underside of it is blank, by the way. But let's go ahead and open it, shall we? It's got a magnetic attachment here and here. And then seems like it comes with a manual and a little, what is this? Oh, piece of paper with some writing in it, and then quality control pass. Okay, and then nothing else. All right, let's move this out here. It's got the plastic. You got the numpads. Did I say numpads? I meant to say numpad. Okay. This is going to be a little challenging with one hand here. I didn't bring my tripod with me. Hold on. I can do this. I can do this. Okay. Let's put that on the side. And there you go. Look at that. 100 key layout with the numpad. It's about time. There you go. Is that my name? My name is Henri. Smiley face. Yep. Just, it feels very much like my other Lofree Flow keyboard that only has like this section. But alright, so the underside looks like that. 100 key dual mode. Is the rubber footing, and then you got USB-C input, and then this switch. Let me get this right. Bluetooth switch, and then the off and on. And then, oh yes, the lighting. This is the lighting, if I'm correct. Yep, there you go. So by default, it's got red lights. I don't use the lights on the keyboards. Let me turn it off. Here's what it's like without the flashlight of the phone. There's some amount of backlighting for the keyboard, but it doesn't shine through the keys, as you can see. Then again, I don't really type in the dark anyway, so it's fine for me. Of course, you got the accent lighting. Let's see what else is in here. Just a box. And then a cable. Same cable as the other Lofree Flow keyboard. So USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. Yep. It's good. And then it seems to be that's all in the box. That's all that's in the box. Yep. Let's put this on the side. And then place this here. Boom. Complete setup. And then, of course, you always get the option to select between 3 different Bluetooth connections, switching between from one device and the other, using the FN together with the 1 or the 2 or the 3. But this is great. I like it. Yep, is the full setup. If I type on it, what does it sound like? Lots of fun. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that and have an excellent day.